Scene script. Have you ever wondered what makes up every living organism on Earth? Welcome to the fascinating world of biology, where we unravel the mysteries of life, one cell at a time. Picture a bustling city, with each citizen performing a unique task. That's a lot like how cells work in our bodies and in every other living thing on this planet. They're the building blocks of life, the smallest units of living organisms capable of independent life. Now let's dive deeper into the cellular universe. There are two main types of cells that make up all life forms: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are like the pioneers of the cellular world. They're simple, small, and believed to be the first type of cells to have evolved. They don't have a nucleus, but instead their DNA floats freely within the cell. Most bacteria are prokaryotes, and they're unicellular, meaning they exist as individual cells. Then we have eukaryotic cells. They're like the modern skyscrapers in our city analogy. They're larger and more complex. Their DNA is neatly packed inside a nucleus, and they contain various specialized compartments or organelles, each with its own role. Organisms made up of eukaryotic cells can be unicellular, like some types of algae, or multicellular, like us humans, where trillions of cells work together to form an organism. But how do these cells function together? Let's go back to our city analogy. Just as a city has different districts for different functions, so does a multicellular organism. Each cell has a specialized role, whether it's a neuron transmitting signals in your brain or a white blood cell fighting off invaders. They all work in harmony to ensure the organism survives and thrives. So the next time you look at any living thing, remember that it's a bustling city of cells, each with its own function and purpose. The cellular universe is vast and intricate, a testament to the wonder and complexity of life itself. Ever thought about what makes you, you? Let's dive into the world of DNA, the fundamental blueprint of life. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries most of the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. So how does this work? Picture DNA as a twisted ladder, a double helix, with rungs made of 4 chemicals: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These are the building blocks of life, and they pair up in a specific way. Adenine with thymine and guanine with cytosine, forming the genetic codes that define us. Now imagine this ladder splitting in half. Each side serves as a template to build a new partner strand. This is DNA replication, and it's how life ensures its continuity. Every time a cell divides, its entire DNA is duplicated, so each new cell has an exact copy of the DNA. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Within this DNA blueprint, there are specific sections called genes. These genes are like individual instruction manuals for different parts of your body. They determine your traits, from the color of your eyes to your ability to roll your tongue. You see, genes are not just about you, they're about your parents, your grandparents, and your ancestors. They are the echoes of your family tree, passed down from generation to generation. The combination of these genes makes you who you are, giving you traits inherited from your family, yet with a unique twist that makes you, you. And it's not just humans. Every living creature, from the tiniest microbe to the largest whale, has DNA. Our DNA connects us to every living thing on this planet, highlighting our shared ancestry and the intricate web of life that binds us all together. Your DNA is like your personal barcode, making you unique and yet part of the great web of life. Why do you think we have such a diverse array of life forms on our planet? This question takes us to the heart of biology, to the symphony of evolution. Evolution is a beautiful, complex dance choreographed by natural selection. Imagine life as a grand stage. Each organism is an actor, its DNA the script. Tiny changes in this script can create variations, different traits and characteristics. Sometimes these variations can give an organism a leg up in the game of survival. Maybe it's a brighter feather to attract a mate, or a sharper claw to catch prey. Other times these variations might not be so beneficial, but here's the kicker: the environment is the director of this grand play. It decides which variations get the applause and which get the hook. From the scorching heat of the Sahara to the icy tundra of Antarctica, environmental factors play a pivotal role in shaping the course of evolution. Evolution is nature's way of improvising, creating a rich tapestry of life, each thread woven by the loom of time and change.